Hello everyone, Emil here. Have you ever felt like your project management tool is working against you rather than with you? And why does it always seem like you're bending over backwards just to get Jira, for instance, to do what you want within the license restrictions? Well, you're not alone. But what if there's a way to make project management tools adapt to your workflow instead? Stick around because we've got the answer. Before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical solutions to your workflow woes. Have you ever wondered why most project boards don't quite hit the mark? And what if you could have a board that mirrors exactly how your team operates? Let me show you how our system is different. So, this is how we use Claude Code to recreate our project board that mirrors how we really work. When working on projects, often we want to examine all projects on the same board, give access to clients to external projects, and integrate the project board to get a Gantt chart view of this project. Or create weekly meeting overviews automatically from the project schedule. We can do this all by taking the standard project management tool design and asking for more. We are no longer constrained by the designs or licensing restrictions now of our project management software because we own the project management software itself. We also use the company AI to generate tasks for our production team. How often do you find yourself stuck in the weeds trying to break down projects into manageable tasks? With our AI, we just enter a project or feature and it creates the detailed task list based upon your company's knowledge base. AI also helps with issue ticket creation. If you are finding that designers do not supply the right information to programmers to fully understand each task, don't worry. By using the underlying system's AI, trained on our own code base, and our instructions, it will provide targeted information so all members of the project team can understand each issue using a consistent format drafted by the AI. And it works brilliantly. And what about testing? How do you ensure that your tests are as dynamic as your development? Our workflow includes an AI-powered testing module that writes test cases tailored to each feature, tracks test coverage in real time, and flags gaps for your improvement, helping your team deliver top-notch quality with every release. So how do you get this all up and running? It's simpler than you think. Using Claude Code and Docker, you can establish your company's AI foundation quickly. See previous videos in this series as to how to do this. Once set up, you can spin up workflow boards, customize automations, and integrate testing in minutes. Everything lives inside the Everything app, ensuring your modules from CRM to support work seamlessly together. Aren't you tired of wrestling with tools that demand you work their way? Now imagine having project management that truly adapts to you, with AI doing the heavy lifting behind the scenes. So, ready for a project management tool that finally works for you? Subscribe for more Vibe coding tutorials as we continue building your Everything app. And if you're looking for professional expertise to help craft your workflow from scratch, reach out to us. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
My gosh! I opened this Everything app and it immediately booked my dentist, planned my week, and somehow remembered my nephew's birthday. At this point, I'm just looking for the button that stops giant space rocks. Seriously, I'm not joking about those space rocks.